One of the things that makes OnTime extremely flexible are the views. The views can be set either by days, weeks, or by time off. It's very easy to navigate around, and you can easily customize it by clicking and choosing how many days you want to see, and then it automatically gives you the right time frame. You can also adjust your start and end hours so it fits with, for example, what time you get in and the time you leave, which makes it easier for you to focus on your schedule. You can choose whether or not you want to show working hours. The working hours can be customized, which is explained much further in the settings video. You can also customize the week view. If you, for example, want to see 2 weeks instead of 1. If you just want to focus on the work week, you can also decide not to show weekends. The time off view only shows you time off things like vacation and maternity leave, no meetings or appointments, so it basically shows whatever you choose in the company to count as time off. In all of the views, you can also adjust the focus on people, so if you're working with a lot of people, you can use the small view so that each person fills as little as possible. However, if you're working in very small teams, you can use the high view, where the people in your views fill more in order to give an easy overview. This also means that one can have up to 3 overlapping appointments and still be able to see the subject. If you're working in a large time frame, you still have the option to focus on specific things by clicking on, for example, Friday. You can zoom in to get a 24-hour view so that you can see more details, which means that you can work and schedule with people across the globe. If you click again, you're out. I can also very easily see the details of events or appointments beyond just the subject. I can just click on it and then I get more details on the right, telling me things such as who's the organizer, who's been invited, what the category is, and the location.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.